The ultimate PlayfulRewardscom review, tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. Want to earn rewards just for playing games or doing simple tasks online? Most people get this wrong by trusting sites that overpromise, but the surprising truth about PlayfulRewardscom is that it's one of the more transparent platforms designed to reward your time with gift cards, credits or cash out options. First, sign up and verify your account. You won't believe how simple it is. A valid email and confirmation are all you need to get started. No payment info required upfront. Next, browse the available tasks and games. Most people skip this step and burn time on low-return tasks. On Playful Rewards, you'll see a clear breakdown, quick surveys, casual games, watching videos, and referral bonuses. Each activity shows the reward value before you commit, helping you choose the most worthwhile tasks. After completing a task, check your balance. The surprising truth is that points accumulate steadily. Many users report earning the equivalent of per hour for casual tasks, especially during bonus events or high-value surveys. It's not a full-time income, but solid for pocket money or small purchases. Finally, redeem your rewards. You won't believe how flexible the payout options are: popular gift cards, PayPal transfers, or even store credits depending on your region. Make sure your account reaches the minimum cash out threshold before requesting payment. In conclusion, PlayfulRewardscom can take you from 0 to pro in earning small rewards online. By choosing tasks wisely, focusing on higher value offers, and redeeming consistently, you can make your spare time more productive. If you're patient and smart, extra income is just a few clicks away. No complicated schemes needed.